Hello everyone, good afternoon to one and all. My name is Udayit. I have 16 years of experience in IT field. Today I am going to teach you about data science. See, before data science, see these many practicals today. See these many practicals today I am going to show in this class in this session. See, before data science, companies mainly used before data science, companies mainly used companies first 10 minutes is first 10 minutes I will teach you why we are going for data science instead of old technologies. Okay, those things I will explain, then we will go for practicals. See, without practicals it's very difficult to survive in the industry. My main motto is in every session, whatever the class I am teaching, whatever the session I am taking, everything I will concentrate mainly on practicals. Without practicals it's very difficult to survive in the industry. That's why in my entire session, first 10 minutes I will explain you about the theoretical session, and then I will start showing the practical related things up to the entire session. Okay, it's very helpful for you. Sorry. Okay, come to the point. Before data science, companies mainly used what? Companies mainly used what? Companies mainly used traditional methods. Traditional methods means what are the traditional methods they are following before data science? Excel sheets. Excel sheets they are following. Okay. Next, manual reports they are following before data science. Before data science came into the market, they are following Excel sheets, manual reports, basic statistics. Basic statistics they followed. Okay. And human decisions based on experience. Human decisions based on experience. Before data science came into the market, they are following Excel sheets, manual reports, basic statistics, human decisions based on experience. For example, I will tell you one example. A shop owner is there, right? A shop owner, who, how he looks at last month, he looks at last month sales manually before data science. Okay. And decides, okay, what to stock next. What to stock next. Okay, like that they decided before data science came into the market. But the problem of this is what? Slow. Next one, not accurate. By following the above methods, it becomes slow, not accurate, no future prediction. No future prediction. That's why we are going. See, basic programming they are using. They are using basic programming like C, comma, Java. Okay, used for applications like websites. Okay, banking systems. Okay, but what happened before data science? No intelligence. No intelligence is there. Okay. Next, no prediction. No prediction is there. This is going to happen in the future like that. There is no prediction. Just instructions only. Just instructions only. Okay. Because of that, we are going for data science. That's why we go for data science. When data science came into the market, so many see, because nowadays what happened in olden days, traditional methods will work. Nowadays data is increasing rapidly. Okay, data increased rapidly. Okay, massively. Huge amount of data. Daily we are coming in British Telecom. Daily we are getting 50 terabytes of petabytes of data. They are getting the data. Facebook petabytes of data. They are going to get the data daily. So data is increased. Then data science will helpful. Okay. In this case, traditional methods won't helpful. In real life, what happens means in real life what happens is Netflix is there, right? Netflix. Millions of users are using Netflix. Yes or no? Millions of users. Next, Amazon. See, daily how many? Millions of purchases are happening. Millions of purchases are happening in Amazon. Okay, banks. See, you can't predict transactions every second. Transactions every second happening in the banking system. Humans cannot analyze this much data. Okay, huge amount of data, petabytes of data, this much data manually. That's why they are going for data science. Data science is equal to what? Data science means what? Extracting, okay, extracting useful useful insights from data. From the data they are extracting useful insights. That is nothing but a data science. For example, Netflix. You are taking Netflix. See, Netflix recommendation. You watch action movies, right? You watch action movies in Netflix. And system suggest what? Similar type of movies only. And system suggest similar type of movies only. Similar type of movies. Okay. How it is happening? How it is happening? Tell me. You are watching action movies. System also suggests similar type of movies. How? It analyzes your history. It analyzes your history. Okay, and it finds patterns. Okay, next, Amazon 2. That is nothing but a Netflix recommendation. This is an example of data science. Next, Amazon amazon customers who bought, suppose you bought one laptop. Who bought this also bought, sometimes if you buy this thing, the person able to bought that one also. In future prediction they are doing, it uses, how it uses purchase history, past history. It is taking purchase history and user behavior. Based on this they are going to predict. Okay, see, manually how you can predict petabytes of data. It's very difficult. Okay, the because of the data science is very helpful for us. Next, example 3, fraud detection. Okay, if unusual transaction happens, okay, then blocked, then immediately blocked. Okay, these many things. Next, Instagram ads. This is also an example. Instagram ads. You search shoe. You search shoes. That's what it will show. Shoes, 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 shoes. Okay. This is how the data science will work. Okay. See, I want to tell you one small example. See, we need some libraries. Okay, I will tell you those all things. No need to worry at all. Okay, this first I want to tell you, this is about data science related things. This is the introduction of data science. Okay, in today's class I want to show you few of the practicals related to the database. Before that I want to tell you few of the points. Okay, see in what data, how does Netflix recommendation movies, how does Amazon suggest a product, I already explained. How does Google Map shows fastest route? How does google map Google Maps shows fastest route? Okay, this is also an example. All these using what? Data science. Data science means what? Extracting useful insights from data. That I will tell you one more definition also. Data science means collecting This is one meaning for data science, extracting useful insights from data. This is this is also one of the meaning, collecting data plus analyzing analyzing data plus make decisions. Make decisions. That is nothing but a data science. For example, healthcare. Healthcare also one example. What they are going to do by using data science, what they are going to do, they are going to predict disease. Predict disease. Okay. Banking what? Fraud detection. It detects fraud transaction. Fraud transactions. Before only it is going to predict. Okay. E-commerce. E-commerce, what it will do? Recommend products. Recommend products. Social media. In social media, what happened? Shows relevant posts. Relevant posts. Okay. See, the entire thing will be an analysis only. Without analysis, it's very difficult. For this data science, I am using Python. Okay, why Python I am using means it is easy to learn. It is used in companies. It is having huge libraries like NumPy, Pandas. Okay, NumPy means numbers, Pandas means data handling. Okay, Matplotlib for graphs. Matplotlib for graphs. Okay, that's why I'm using Python. See, first I want to show you one example, one practical. Here I am doing analyze student marks and find average. This is the For this I am showing you practical. See, first I am storing the student marks. I am taking one list. I am taking marks and store it in a variable marks. Okay. Then see, analyze student marks and find average. So first initially marks I am taking. Next calculate total marks I am doing. Total marks I am calculating. For total I am using sum of this variable marks. So total you are going to get. Then find the number of students. So length of marks. Length of marks I am storing in a variable count. Next average is equal to total by count. Okay. So print of total marks means total you have to print. Number of students means count you have to print. Average means this one you print. See, analyze student marks and find average. See, I am going to calculate marks, total marks, number of students and average. See, this is the code. When I run this code, see, total marks is 433. So I am showing total marks is 433. If you add these all things, 433 is the total marks. See, number of students means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 students. Totally 5 students. Average marks means total by count. Total by 433 by 5. 586.6. So average marks, this is the thing. This is how you are going to analyze. This is how you are going to analyze student marks and average. This is the first practical. Like this we are going to do analysis. Okay. Next I will show you second one. See, I will show you next. Next what I need to do. Next I am going to show you. Next I am going to show you what visualization. See, I want to show you visualization. For visualization, for graph purpose, I am using Matplotlib. Okay. Pip space, you can go on command prompt, you can go and run pip space install space Matplotlib. I already have in my system. If you are not having this one, you can install like this. Okay. Requirement already satisfied means it is already there in the system. Okay. Then marks is equal to, see, this is the graph library. This is the graph library. Okay. Next, it creates line graph. Okay. Line graph. X label, Y label. Okay. X axis, Y axis, like that. Title is student marks trend. Okay. Plot, it creates line graph. Okay. Next, it displays graph finally plot dot show means when I run this one, see student marks trend. See, this is the title. I have given title as, see, title as student marks trend. Okay. Next, x-axis students, y-axis students. So I am giving x label as students, y label as marks. Plot dot show means it is showing this graph. Okay. Next, plot dot marks. See, based on the data here 85, 90, 78, 92, 80, right? This is the uh, marks marks data. Here students data. Based on this, the plot, the graph is going to plot draw. Okay, this is how we are going to add visualization. This is how companies visualize data based on, see, last year these many sales are going, this year these many sales are down, next year these many sales are up, next year these many sales are down. Like that, companies are going to analyze the data by visualizing the data. Companies are going to analyze things by visualizing the data. Okay, based on the data only. Okay. Next, I will show you how to find the highest and lowest marks. I will show you how to find the highest and lowest marks. If you want to find the highest marks, take marks and kept it in a list and store it in a variable marks. Max of highest marks, min of marks. So when you run this code, see, highest marks is 92, lowest marks is 78. See, highest is 92, lowest is 78. That is going to display here. Next, what I want to see, where this marks concept is highest marks, lowest marks. The same concept, the same concept is used in salary analysis, as well as stock market minimum and maximum things. These are applied in stock market, salary analysis, and customer data who is having this year how many sales was done by this customer, like that. Okay, max how many sales, like that. Today we analyzed only small data. Okay, in this course we will handle 1 lakh plus records also. You are going to build real projects also. Okay, this is the small data right now. Okay. Next, I will show you. See, Netflix data analysis. I will show you Netflix data analysis. I will show you. Okay, analyze Netflix data set to understand. First you have to analyze Netflix. Netflix data set to understand. First, you analyze Netflix data set to understand most common content type. What? Movie or TV show. This is the most common content type in Netflix. Yes or no? Top countries producing content. India, Spain, Germany, like that. Okay. Most frequent genres. Okay. Basic insights. These are the basic insights. See, what we are doing is we are using real Netflix data CSV file. I will show you. This is how the Netflix CSV file will look like. See, here show ID S1. Type movie, whether it is movie or TV show. Next, title RRR, like this. Movie names, directors names, countries, releasing, rating. Okay, this is how the Netflix data set will look like. Okay. Next, what happens? You are going to install the library, pip space install space pandas space libraries. You are going to install. Once you install, then what you are going to do? See, this is how you are going to write a program. See, initially pandas I am taking. Pandas is one library. You can go and install. Previously you install pip space install space matplotlib, like that. Pip space install space pandas. Okay, it is one library. This is already installed, that's the requirement already satisfied here. I'm getting. Next, this is the Matplotlib. This is the graph library. Just it is reading the data. Netflix CSV, the data whatever I already show you, right? The data it is reading, and then it is printing the data. And then head means top 5 rows. Next, count content types. See, it is counting the types, content types, whether it is TV or movie show types, and their counts it is counting. Okay, then plot, it is showing the bar plot. Okay, next title is Netflix content type, X label type, Y label content. Next show. Next country wise it is showing the counts and top 5 heads. Okay, I will show you, then you will understand. See, okay, leave it. First, this is the Excel data. This is the Excel data. See, top 10 I have in Excel. I have only 10 records are there in CSV file. Those 10 records are displayed here. Okay, next, where is the code? Because of this, it is reading and then it is printing those 10 records in the form of string. Next, data.head means first 5 rows it is going to display. So first 5 rows it is displaying. Next what I am doing now, count content types. Content types means I already show movie or TV shows. So data of type dot value counts. Okay, content whether TV shows how many, movies how many. See, type, content type, movies are 6, TV shows are 4. I will count here: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See, up to these many records. First 10 record, this is the data that is there in Excel file. Total 6 movies are there. TV shows 1, 2, 3, 4. That these are the content types. That's why it is showing movie as 6 and TV shows as 4. Next, okay, this is how the program is. See, next what it is doing. Netflix content type. This is the title. See, in this code, Netflix content type distribution. X label I am taking type, Y label I am taking count. Type means movie or TV show. Okay, and then count. Based on the data, it is showing the graph. Okay, this is how you are going to write a program. Okay, this is how you are going to analyze the Netflix data. Okay, only 10 records I am showing. See, in real time lakhs of records are there. In real time lakhs of records are there. Okay, in real time what lakhs of records it is having. Okay, data of type means what, there they are selecting the columns, whether it is a TV show or movie. Okay, and their counts. Okay, next what I am going to do, and then finally they are going to, based on the country, select country column. Okay, count to values. See, here I will show you. I want to run program 5, right? That is program 4. I will show you. No need to worry. I want to run. See, at last in the code what I am writing, after TV show and movie show, what I am writing there? Did anybody? Top countries, data of country. This is the country column, and then counts, and then top 5. Okay, see, top countries. See, what happens means, see, top countries, India. Okay, how many Indias are there? Up to 10 record, up to these many records. See, 0 to 9 only. Again, I am using that set. 0 to 4 it is coming. 0 to 9. How many Indian records are there here? How many Indian records are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's why India 4. Next, USA 1, 2, 3, 4. USA 4. Next, Spain 1. There is no other Spain. Germany 1. That's where it is displayed. Okay, like this top 5 records, it is top 5 countries, it is going to display. That is the code we written here. That is the code we written here. Okay, next next what we need to do, this is the code we written. Okay, this is the bar chart, that's why it is showing bars for movies and TVs. See, next what we are doing here, actually, we are reading the CSV file and creating a data frame, and then analysis by using count and filter, and then visualization by using Matplotlib, and then finally we are going to get the insights. Okay, this is how the Netflix data is analyzed. Same logic they are used in companies. Okay, next I want to show you analyze company sales data. Analyze company sales data. How you are going to analyze company sales data? I will show you sales data. I have that data. Okay, this is how the sales data will be: date, product, sales, region, and everything. Okay, I will show you what happens. See, I will show you in practical. See, it is reading sales data, and then total sales, it is going to print average sales, top product group by based on the product. Okay, how many sales are done, like that. Top, what is the top product of that sales? So when we run this code, what happens? See, total sales is 15321. Average sales is 766. Top product is mouse. Okay. In that data, what is the top product? Top product is mouse. Okay. If you want to see means, I will show you. See. See, keyboard is there, mouse, monitor. Again mouse is there. Again mouse is there. Again mouse is there. Again mouse is there. Okay, like that. See, mouse how many times? One, two, three, four, five. Five times mouse is there. Monitor, one, two, three, four times only monitor is there. Okay, what is the remaining? All two times, three times only. Then what is the highest? Which is the highest product sales? Mouse is the highest product sales. That's why it is showing mouse as the highest sales. Okay, top product is mouse. Okay, next, this is how you are analyzing company sales data. This is the basic level. In course we will build dashboards, prediction models, real-time analytics, everything we are doing. Okay, if you learn this course, you can get job easily. Okay, next, I want to show you uh, next I want to show you Netflix movies. Next I want to show you directed. See, next I want to show you, you can take Netflix movies and TV shows data set. TV shows data set from Kaggle. Kaggle is on site. Okay, there you can go and download. See, Kaggle, I will show you. This is the Kaggle data set. Here you can search Netflix movies and TV show data set. Then you are going down. Then this is the data set. You can click here, then automatically download it. Then automatically download it. Okay, you can click here, download it. See, it is downloading here. Okay, once downloaded, extract that file. Okay, and then read that file. See, this is how you are going to download. Then see, that file I already have in my, see, Netflix underscore titles.cs. Whatever the file I downloaded. See, it is raw data. See, sometimes missing data is there. Not, it's not looking fine. Okay, it's not looking in a structured clean format. It's just raw data. Okay, and it's not looking fine. Okay, I want to clean the data in a nice format. Okay, for that purpose, see, program 5 also complete. Program 6, we will go for program 6. What we are doing is, we are reading the data. We are reading the data. What we are doing, we are reading that data. Initially, what happens? We are loading the data set into a table. Okay, this is nothing but a data frame. Loading the, or means reading the data set into a data frame, that is nothing but a table. Then what I am doing, basic information. See, it shows number of rows, total 8,000 rows or 8,800 rows are the column types and missing values. It shows column types, missing values, total number of rows. Then next, is null dot sum. It is checking the missing values. Is null. Is null is there? Okay. Total count the missing values in each column. It is counting the missing values in each column. Then we can handle that missing values. See, here data is complete means data is complete, incomplete. Data is complete. We can replace with missing values. We replace missing values. We replace missing values. That means fill missing country with unknown. We are replacing missing values if data is incomplete. Now understand, right? Country with unknown. If missing value is there in the country column, then replace with unknown. For that purpose we are using fill NA. Okay. Next, fill missing directory with not available. When directory column is having missing values, then fill with not available. Okay. Next what they are doing, drop rows where data added. See, it is removing rows also where data added is missing. Okay, sometimes it is dropping the rows also where data added is missing. Okay, data added is where data add is missing. In that case, it is dropping the rows also. Okay, next it is removing duplicates. Okay, duplicates means removes repeated rows. This is how. Okay, next it removes repeated rows. Okay, 2 times I am writing this code. Okay, I will remove this one, first part. Okay. Next what I am doing, I am converting. Next I am converting date column to proper format. We strip white space and use mix to handle the formatting error even counted. So proper format I am doing date column. Okay, next pd.to_date date added format is equal to mix, like that. Next, extract only year from the date. Okay, see, here only I am extracting. Next, columns I am cleaning. Okay, next I am saving into a cleaned data set. See, entire raw data, missing values, handling missing values, columns properly replaced with some unknown values or not available values, and date should be in proper format. Everything after I am doing, I am saved into a clean data set file. That clean data set file completed, final shape is going to coming, and then this is how the process is happening. Okay, see, when we run this code, I will show you. When we run this code, what happening we will see. See, before cleaning 8807 entries, that means rows or columns or anything. Okay, 0 to 8086 are there. See, what happens, memory usage is 3.9 MB. Next, missing values before cleaning. How many missing values are there in each and every column? It is displaying. Okay, in show id row, how many missing values? Show id column, how many missing values? 0. Type column 0. Title column 0. Director column 2, 6, 3, 4 missing values are there. That means not a values are there. For that director, I am what I mentioned in the code. For the director column, what I mentioned in the code, director, if replace missing value with not available, I am going to fill wherever missing values is there, I am replaced with not available. Like this, how many missing values it is doing, and then cleaning it is completed, and then final shape it is going to display. Okay, this is how. See, raw data they are taking, that means some messy data. Messy means gajibiji in Telugu. Okay, messy CSV file they are taking, and then they are checking missing values. Okay, raw data, and then check missing values. Okay, and then clean data, clean. How you are cleaning data? Fill na command you are using, right? Fill or remove duplicates. Fill or remove duplicates. Next, transform data. Transform data. Transform data. Which data you are transforming? Date, comma. Here you are changing. Okay. Next, save clean data set. Okay, the clean data set it is already downloaded in my system. Because of that, see how it look like. See, now there is no missing values. Now there is no missing values. Now there is no missing values. See, date is there, no missing values are there. Previously missing values are there, now there is no missing. Clean format it is doing. Okay, next I want to show you. Next, I want to show you advanced analysis. Advanced analysis means, let see. I want to show you one example in Netflix only. Let's analyze. Let's analyze Netflix data to Netflix data. Okay, how content increased over years. How content increased over years. Which year has most releases? Most releases. Which ratings are most common? Okay. How movies versus TV shows changed over time? Changed over time. For this, I am going to write a code. For this, I am going to write a code. For this, I am going to write a code. Okay. For this, I want to write a code. Okay, I will show you how to write a code. This is the code. See, this is how you are going to write. Read the load and store it in a data frame. Convert date column again. Okay. Next, extract here. Drop null years. Wherever null years are there, you can drop. And then year wise content. Their content count they are adding. Okay, why they are adding content count? See how content is increased over years. That's why year wise content count they are calculating, and then plotting a graph they are doing. Okay, next rating analysis they are doing and their counts to see why rating analysis, which year has which ratings has most common. Okay, that's why they are doing rating analysis. Okay, and then see year wise also number of shows are there. Why show which year wise which has most releases based on the shows only they are going to tell you how movie shows or TV shows changed over time. Okay, for that rating analysis. Okay, next see movie shows versus TV shows per year. Like this you are going to write a code. Okay, for all those things, rating analysis we are writing a code. Year wise how many movies are coming, for that rating analysis we write a code. Movies versus TV shows per year we write a code. Okay, and then plot year wise how many movies are releasing we write a code. Okay, and then first content wise year wise content shows how many we are writing a code. Once we run this code, see, this is the Netflix content growth over years. Year-wise number of shows. That only no. Year-wise number of shows. Okay. Next, we will go. Netflix content growth over years, right? See. Netflix content growth over year-wise. Year-wise number of shows. Year-wise number of shows. Okay. Next. Next one is content rating distribution. See, these are the ratings and these are the counts. Okay, rating analysis it is doing. Next, movies versus TV shows over time. See, these are the one line is movie, blue line, orange line is TV show. And their counts over time. This is how analysis are going on. Okay, here we are calculating how content is increased over years, which year has most releases, and which ratings are most common, and how movies or TV shows changed over time. This is how you are going to analysis Netflix data. Okay, those are the, see, client has given how content is increased over years. That's why first graph it is displayed. And which year has most releases based on that first graph released. See, I will show you again. I will run you. Netflix content growth year wise number of shows. Based on that only year wise number of shows. See, Netflix content growth or year wise number of shows. Based on that only what they will decide year, which year has most releases and how content is increased over years. Based on the number of shows only it will decide. Okay. Next, rating. Next, movies versus TV show, how the flow will be. Okay. Okay. Next. See, in demo class only these many practicals I am showing means total 90 to 100 sessions will be there. In entire sessions, I am going to teach you only practicals in all my demo classes, whether it is data science or machine learning or agentic AI or artificial intelligence or deep learning or anything also. I'm going to teach you entire things in practical, because if I didn't teach you practical, if you go to industry, then there you will suffer a lot. Okay. Okay. Next, he see in this also we are converting date test in a proper format, and then we are extracting year, and then we remove rows where year is missing. Okay, okay, and then count based on it shows per year. Next, what I am going to show you is I want to show you one more thing also. Okay, this is not just coding. This is we are finding business insight. This is what data analysts do in companies. Okay, this is what data analysts do in companies. Okay, this is what data analysts do in companies, top countries. Okay, like that. Okay, I will show you. I will show you. No need to worry. See, in companies, data analyst job is this only. Okay, you are finding business insights, and this is what data analysts do in companies. When we run this code, what happens means we are going to get the data in the form of dashboard. Sir, here dashboard is not coming, not there. You are going to run. You are going to run the code here. Okay, I will show you. I will show you. See, from 2000 to 2025, select type. I am showing. See, all. This is the total record. These are the unique countries and content added over years. Year added, content rating distribution, and then top countries. Top countries. Okay, top countries data. Okay, based on that one, it is. This is the raw data. Okay. Now I am going to show you. I want to set 2002 data. I want movie data. See, here data is changing. Total record, this one, unique countries are 652, and this is the content added over years in 2002. Rating, this is the ratings, and these are the top countries, and this is the data. Like that, you can select 2007. You want TV show data. See, TV show data metrics again changed. Metrics again changed. I will show you 2016. 2016 movie data, see, data is changing. 2016 TV show data, see, data is changing. 2025 TV show data I am selecting. TV show data, see, data is changing. Okay, like that. You can take this one, and then you can progress one, and then you can do which year you want. Okay, based on that you want movie wise content added over ratings, and movie wise content added over years, rating distribution, top countries, and the data. Okay, you want TV show content wise this distribution, and then like that all you want like this. Okay, this is the data dashboard. This is the Netflix data dashboard. In real time, data analysts are doing this type of things only. Okay, data analysts are doing this type of things only. See, this is nothing but a web dashboard. This is the URL web dashboard. This is nothing but a web dashboard showing what total movies and TV shows. Total movies and TV shows. Okay, year-wise trends it is showing. See, year-wise trends. See, 2008 like that, 2002, 2002 like that. Okay, and then ratings and distribution. See, ratings. This is the ratings and distribution. Top countries, what are the top countries for that, whatever you are selecting, tvs or movies, what are the top countries? Okay, and then their data, and then they filter by, you want to filter by top movie, or you want to filter by, see, based on that, see, data is changing here. Okay, tv show. Okay, like this you are going to do web dashboard. This is the what this is a web dashboard showing total movies and tv shows, year-wise trends, rating distribution, top countries, filter by type. Okay, like this. Okay, this is how you are going to do practical. Okay, I will show you. See here what you are doing. Here you are giving the page title as Netflix dashboard. That's why here Netflix dashboard is came. Okay, next, it is reading the data and storing here, and then according to the date it is storing, and then here it is extracting, and then filter options it is doing, and then selecting years. That's why here filter options is there, selected year 2002 2025. That's why see I am giving 2002 2025. Okay, let's type filter, select type all movie tv show. So filter type I am giving, select type I am giving all movie tv show. Based on the code what I have written, that only here it is available. Okay, and then apply filter. See, if type filter not equal to all, this is the thing, like that you are going to apply filter. Okay, that means what they are doing there, tell me. It filters data set there, it filters data set and then shows numbers like power bi. See, these are the metrics, total records, length of filter record, unique country. See, total records, unique country, it's look like a power bi, it's look like a power bi. And trends, these are the trends, year wise trends. Okay, rating bar charts, these are the bar charts, these are the bar charts. Okay, country wise visualization, and then displaying, see, country wise visualization, country wise bar charts visualization, and then what is happening here, we are displaying the table also. Okay, this is the data frame. Okay, this is how, see, once we will run, this is the browser, in this browser this is the url. Once we will run the code here, then this link will come, then load this one, and then you can copy, and then you can paste, and then you can run. See, why it is not running, I will show you. Because of mistake, semicolon not there. Okay, see, this is so. Okay, here this is an interactive dashboard, filters working, graphs updating dynamically. Okay, and see what we are doing, we are loading the csv data, loading in pandas, applying filter, analyze data, and displaying in dashboard. Okay, this is similar to power bi dashboard. This is similar to power bi dashboard. Companies build dashboard like this only. Okay, you can deploy this also in online if you want. Okay, you can deploy this also in online if you want. Okay, this is how where we are, what we are doing, we are running the clean code. See, we are taking the raw data set, and then we are doing all the operations there, and finally we are cleaning the data. See, finally we are doing what, we are displaying the data. Okay, next, this is how we are going to do, and this is how we are going to do the functionality. Okay, this is the web dashboard related things. Okay, this is the, because your dashboard has charts, filters, metrics, interactive, same as power bi only. This is, see, here bars are there, metrics are there. Okay, filters are there. Okay, this is nothing but interactive user interface. This is nothing but it look like a power bi only. Okay, it's look like a Power BI only. Okay, see, Python dashboard coding wise, yes. Power BI coding wise, no. Flexibility wise, Python very high. Power BI limited. Learning wise, programming, that is a tool based. Industry uses data science or machine learning, but Power BI uses for business analysis. We are building a Power BI like dashboard using Python here. Yes or no? This gives more control than Power BI. Developers prefer this approach. Power BI means drag and drop. Python plus Streamlit is equal to custom plus powerful. Using Streamlit, you can custom apps, ML integration, deployment, everything you can do. Okay, this is how the process will be. Okay, next, if you, these are the different types of scenarios I explained today, web dashboard and everything in. Okay, today's class I show you these things. See, still so many things are there. See, one class only I am showing 11 to 12 practicals means, in understand, 90 to understand 90 to 100 sessions are there. Understand, 90 to 100 sessions are there. In those 90 to 100 sessions, how many things you are going to learn? How many things you are going to learn? So many things you are going to learn. Okay, it's not one day class without practicals. Even though if you learn theoretical also, no use, because if you went to IT industry, then there you need to do practical related oriented only. Okay, theoretical good, knowledge is better, but without practical it's very difficult, because you are going to write a code inside once you went to IT industry. Okay, okay, there at that time you are going to suffer a lot. Okay, see, this is my website udayit.get-site.net, and Udayit Tech Academy is my YouTube channel, Okay, next, at the rate Udayit Academy, at the rate Udayit Tech Academy. Okay, next, my phone number 8143279660. Okay, next, this is the thing, Udayit dot C. I will show you. I will show you here. This is my website. See, you want to join data science, right? Data science with Python. If you type here, directly it is showing no course for. Okay, maybe data science, I think. Name, all courses. Okay, before that, sign up here. You can give your full name, email, password, and then confirm password, and then create account. Once you create an account, you can go to login here, or you can go here. You can enter your credentials, go to home. Once you go home, go down. These many courses we are teaching. Okay, if you want data science with Python, see, outside they are going to charge 1 lakh or 1,50,000 also. In Hyderabad side, in cities also they are going to charge around 20,000. But I am giving with less cost only, but I am giving more practical oriented. Okay, okay, theoretical I am explaining, along with that more practical oriented, because without practicals you won't survive in industry. If I will give you guarantee that if you join in my course, then you will get a job easily. Okay, see, you can enroll here. You once you created sign up here, you got login credentials. Those login credentials you can use that. Inside that you can go and you can pay. Okay, you can go and you can pay the fees. Okay, only 11,999 only I kept. Along with that, 18% GST also you need to pay, because see, after discount only 20,000 only I am reducing to 11,999 plus GST 18% you have to pay separately. Okay, those things I didn't mention here, but we have to pay 18% GST also. Okay, see, you can go and enroll, and then you can pay the fees. If you have any doubts while paying the fees, then you can go down This is my phone number. You have any doubts, you can call me. This is my mail ID. You have any doubts, you can call me. Okay. Okay. Next, this is my Udayit Tech Academy is my YouTube channel. Go to YouTube. Go to youtube.com. See Udayit Tech Academy is my YouTube channel. You can click here. These many courses we already given demo. Okay. If you want those courses also, you can see. Okay. Okay. Next. Okay, guys. If you want have any doubts, you can call me, chat me, or ping me. Okay, at any time on it. No issues. Okay. Thanks everybody. Thank you guys. Bye.